This app promise that any news you read on the platform, they're gonna reward you. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you an app that claim that if you read news on their platform, you're gonna earn money. And I just tried this particular app. I decided to give it a try to know if it is worth it. Okay. So this is the interface of this app. Before I proceed, disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I am not sponsored by NewsPay. This video is based on my personal experience, and you are free to do your own research before downloading any online app. And always know that I am not any financial advice, and this video is not a financial advice. Do your own research before investing your time on this app. Okay. If it is your first time hearing about this app, all you need to do is for you to sign in with your Google account. If it's not actually your first time, maybe you have the app, log in with the same email that you used before. Okay, do not create different account. If you create different account, they're gonna ban you. Okay, all I need to do for me to log in on this application, okay, the same email that I used before. Okay, so right now you're going to see the interface of the app. You can see crypto, tech, a lot of news that you can actually earn to earn extra income. You can see N NP tokens referral news read. In this application, they claim that even if you invite people, yeah, that is refer people on this app, they're going to reward you if you invite people on this app. That means you need to copy your link and send it to your friends. Once your friends join, then you're going to be earning on this app. You can see check in. You can actually check in every day and receive code on this app. Okay, now this is how this app look like. It's on Play Store. Now you can see that any news that you read, you are going to automatically receive reward. Any news, all you need to do for to click on any news you like. You can see crypto, you can see tech, you can see finance, you can see health. Check anyone you like, you enjoy. Check any news you enjoy, click on it. Like now, if you are click on it, you're going to see the news. As you can see that this dollar sign now, this yellow dollar sign, you can see that it is going because I'm actually reading this particular thing now. I'm actually reading it. And the thing is that once it jam on the second one, you're going to be earning points. I know that the point is little, actually lose a lot. So yes, the point is little. But instead of you to read free news, you can actually use this one and give it a try to know what is going to happen. See, what thing I like about this particular one is that anyone you can read, you can actually read. And you can see now I'm reading it, and after I finish reading, I want to claim the reward. They are going to bring out an advert for me to, um, as you can see, the reward added again because I read and advert pump up. The reason why I don't want to play all these adverts on this video because of copyright, okay? Because of some music with their own copyright. That's the reason why I don't want to play the advert, okay? So anyone that you finish reading, once you want to claim the reward, they are going to automatically send you an ad that you can watch before you claim the reward. That is the only thing I really don't like about this particular one. The fact that if you want to claim your reward, you're going to watch ad. Any reward you want to claim, you're gonna watch ad. That is the only thing I don't like. But if they reduce advert, I love it much because any reward you want to get here, you must watch before you will collect the point. Okay, so that is the only thing I really do not like. Too much advert. Okay, now in case if you go there and there's still advert, you say, Face, why did you tell me that there is so much advert? Yes, there is advert before you collect your point on this. After reading, before you collect your point, you must read. Now I'm reading now, and you can see points added on my count right now. Okay, so any news you feel like you can read very well. That's any news that you enjoy, crypto, tech, finance, health, any news you can actually read it here. Okay, now you can see crypto. My network is not okay. Let me just go back again. As you can see, tech. My network is misbehaving. You can see crypto. Anything that's related to crypto and you want to read the news is available here. And once you are reading, you are earning point. Okay, but maybe you feel like you don't want to do it for money. You can actually leave the offer, because before you watch advert, like now I'm reading, let me just read. Okay, then I'm gonna pause it. You see, I'm reading and it's already now, as you can see, leave it or claim offer. If you don't want to earn anything, you can actually leave the offer and continue reading what you're reading. A lot of people do that. People that enjoyed news a lot do that. Why people that is looking for a way to earn extra income do that also. Okay. So this is the news you're gonna be reading. The news is actually very long. Okay. Anyone you can read, just keep on doing it like this, scoring down or up, then it's going to start counting. Okay. Once you reach this dollar sign, then they're going to ask you to watch ad. Once you watch ad, the little point is going to add it. Note, they reward little points. They reward a little points before you misunderstand this video. Okay. Now this is the referral and five read. This is actually my new account. Okay. Actually my new account. For instance, now you earn something and you want to withdraw. This is how to withdraw. What you need to do, you have to click on the wallet option. If you click on the wallet option, the only thing I like about this app is that you can withdraw at 0.5 cent. Yeah. For Bitcoin, if you want to withdraw with Bitcoin, you're going to withdraw from $5, $10, and $15. Okay, as you can see, the minimum gold is required for you to withdraw that. Okay, so you can see PayPal, they have Amazon gift card. There is a lot of withdrawal method you can use to withdraw here. Okay, let me just click on this crypto coin. You can see that you can withdraw from 0.2 cents. Okay, you can see 0.5. When I'm going to be withdrawing on this app, I'm going to make sure I film that particular video. I'm not going to be forgetting it. Okay, I am not going to forget it at all. Anytime I want to withdraw here, to make sure I film, because I usually forget when I'm about to withdraw my money in any app. I usually forget it, but this time around, I'm not going to be forgetting anyone. Okay, so this is the Play Store. As you can see 2026 review. Yeah, they say that it's okay. You know, this one in 2014, they say that it's okay. Some people complain that the reward is little. Just like I said on this video, the reward is actually little. Like if you this person that enjoy reading news a lot, you can use it to pass time, even without even some people read news 24 hours without earning anything. Okay. So but one you can actually read it and earn small thing on this particular app. You can see that many people say this amazing. Then I decided to download this and give it a try to know if it's worth the time. I'm going to be filming when I'm withdrawing. Okay, thank you so much.